Let's see if we get anything worthwhile. Okay, spider token. Shining counters wall. This is interesting to have near the start of the pack. Leonard, Emissary of Trust. Miraculous Recovery. Rally the Pheasants. Ghoul Horse. Archaeologist. Wings Deed Pegasus Rider. Whirlwind Monk. Gurmig's Angler. Basking Lizard. Fume Spitter. Soul on Fire. Double Cleaver. Angelic Renewal. And Raid Bombardment. So they're backwards order. I think the best we got here is Leonard Emissary. But they put them in the wrong order in this pack, just in case you're wondering.